Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best tourism leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first we're going to Las Vegas, entertainment capital of the United States. The radius is probably pretty good, so I'm just going to add that. Next, where industry is going to be tourism. Tourism. We get lots of tourism showing up, tourism businesses. Sanity check will provide us with these businesses just so maybe we can change around our keywords if it's not exactly what we're looking for. I'm happy with this though. Next, key decision makers are looking for owners and founders and directors and executives. We are targeting one owner, but in case they have a C-suite title, it'll cover for this case. Filters. Our first filter is my favorite one, which is the Google reviews. We filter this between 3 and a 5. This basically just filters out all the companies that would be hard to work with because if their review score is between a 3 and a 5, they're obviously respected by their clients and their customers, and it's just going to be easier to do business with them. Benefit to you. And our next one is we want to just filter out any franchises or national chains. I'm just going to exclude franchises and national chains. And finally, we're going to move on to our deliver. We're going to reset these data points. We want to kind of just look at the marketing. Like, let's say I'm a digital marketer trying to sell my marketing services to a tourism company. GMB claimed is like a pretty easy one. If their business is listed on Google, or if their business is ranking on like the Google Maps, but it's not claimed, like it's a very easy problem to present them that you can be the solution to. We are ignoring direct dial as we are getting direct email, and I feel like reaching out through that is more professional. I just added all the social media profiles, good for insights on where they're currently spending their marketing money. Revenue, headcount, data salvage are kind of your big ones for filtering down your 100 good leads to 20 great leads. The ad pixels are insightful too. If they have an ad pixel on their website, they probably want to work with marketers. The technology ones like Google Analytics, e-commerce, WordPress, page speed. For instance, if they have a slow page speed and you know SEO and you can go and optimize their website, it's almost like an additional service you can add on to your package that you're trying to sell them. And then the SEO terms are also very insightful. So next, finish. Make sure to give it a title, set your contacts required, save it as a draft. So if you want to cancel it to change something, you're not starting from scratch. With that being said, I'm going to launch this. As you see, we have our tourism in Las Vegas. It's allocating between it's with our team and should be available to you within 24 hours. So yeah, that's how you find the best tourism leads using Coldlytics. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.